How to cut a video in InShot. Now, in order to do that, you just simply need to open your InShot application, and after opening the application, you will get to see this video section to edit your videos. Now, you just simply need to tap into the video section and create your edit in here, or the clip that you want to cut. I have already created a draft, so I would open that draft. You can easily create the new one if you don't have a draft already. And after opening the application and the video that you want to edit, now you just simply need to select the clip which you want to cut. For example, I have this imagery of 9 seconds long, which is basically a video. Now let's say I want to cut it exactly at the 4th second. You just simply need to select the clip and then move this cursor to exactly where you want to cut the video. Then after that, scroll to this toolbar and then simply tap to this split button. Then this will cut your video into half like this. If you want to cut it further, you can do it exactly like this. So this is how you cut the video and edit separately, or even delete if you want. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.